Hello everyone, I am Abhishek Kumar Jaiswal, currently pursuing BTech from Electronics and Communication Engineering from Heritage Institute of Technology. I have created a project based on IoT and Android. Let me explain with you with my project. Here is the project. Like I have used Esp32, like here it is ESP Vroom 32 and a LED and also a flame sensor, and also I have created an Android app in Kotlin language, and for UI portion I have used XML, and in backend I have used Firebase. Let me tell you how I have created this project. Like I created this circuit where if a flame is detected by this sensor, it will move the data to the Firebase, and my app will fetch the data from the Firebase and show real-time notification to the user. Like when I can install this sensor in a room, and it will connect to the local Wi-Fi of the home Wi-Fi, and when a fire is detected in the room or the house, this device will send real-time alerts to the mobile phone. It is not compulsory that the mobile phone will connected to the same Wi-Fi. The mobile phone can operate from anywhere in the country or from anywhere in the world. So this is my project. Thank you so much. This is the flame sensor. This is the ESP modif tool, and I have created a app, Firebase alarm system app, which will trigger when this sensor detects any fire. Let's check it. Like I am just opening the app just for your reference. Wait, when I am giving any flame over here, it is just detecting and showing also notification also here, and it will give the result in real time. Also it will also work when the app, I will kill the app, like I will remove the app from the recent tabs. In that case also it will run. Like let me show you. For real time notification it will take a minute. So it will take a minute, so because it's processing in background for the real-time notification. When the app is not active, like it is killed from the background, it will take a minute just to show notification in real time. Like it's WhatsApp, we have removed WhatsApp from the background, still I am getting the message from the notification. It is like that. Yes, look, here the notification comes after a minute. Yes, thank you.